Hello, everybody. Hello. I'm not sure how many people. Just 1 second. My battery on my. Oh, okay. Now we're good. Hello, everyone. Hopefully, we're just gonna wait a few more minutes to wait for a few more people to join us today for our live webinar going over BlogStorm and how we're gonna create in 5 minutes, we're going to create 20 blogs, SEO optimized blogs, and push it to your WordPress right away in less than 5 minutes. I'm just going to wait a few more minutes and to have more people joining us. And how's everybody doing today? Please let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you could hear me well. Hey, Power Wubber, how are you today? Awesome, awesome. Great, great. I hope you guys could hear me good. So, is the mic good, or do I need to move it a little bit or raise the volume? Alrighty, let me see if the group got a message. Alrighty. We'll wait a couple more minutes and we'll start the webinar. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Chicagoland area, and I'm not sure where you guys from. So comment below. Let me know where you've joining us from. Yep, Power Rubber say such a wonderful weather today. Great. Yes, yes, it's an awesome weather. That's good. That's great. Okay, let me see. For some reason, the group didn't get the notification of the webinar. That's not good. So I'm just going to try something real quick and then just hang tight with me. Oh, it's unable to connect. Bear with me a couple more minutes and we're going to start our webinar either or, even if we didn't get the notification, which is I've been having an issue with Restream IO. Been talking to them for a week and they still didn't fix it. So technology, guys. All right. We'll try to connect one more time and I'll start our webinar. So if anybody will be on YouTube, that will be better because the stream is not working on Facebook. Hey, Brian, how you doing today? Thanks for joining us today. All right, guys. They still didn't get the notification, so I'm just gonna put a quick post mentioning that we are live on YouTube and they could join us on YouTube if they would like. All right. All right, let me share my screen and we'll start the webinar, guys. Yeah, YT Mix HK. I know you said it's supposed to be on Facebook, but for some reason there is an error with connecting it with Restream, my software that I'm using. So I apologize for that and for the delay. But we're gonna start right now, and I'm gonna share my screen. Uh, Okay. Well, let's see. All right. Just bear with me 1 second. I'm not sure why. All right, guys. Just let me know if you could see my screen and apologize for all the delays. And let me know so we could. All right. Great, great, great. Everything works fine. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. All right, guys. So my name is Robbie Rizik, and I'm gonna be your host for today. And I've been immersed in the marketing world since 2006, constantly looking, seeking innovative ways to elevate the industry. Actually, and I'm been proud owner of Rizik Ad, a partner in a fast casual family restaurant called Amba, and have specialized in local SEO for over a decade. After transitioning and innovating my company to focus on digital marketing, because we used to do printing and large format printing and the traditional marketing back in the days. But I'm now a founder partner of BlogStorm.ai, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to the revolutionary tool that's set to transform your content creation process, guys. So today, I'm just gonna go through a little bit of the table of the content. What we're gonna talk about. I'm just gonna talk about what is BlogStorm AI and why BlogStorm AI is available, is valuable, and I'm gonna talk about the key features and of BlogStorm, and gonna discuss a little bit, get you. A little bit more information about the roadmap and what's coming soon, actually after the initial release of BlogStorm, and then we're going to go right into the live demo, which is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, that we're going to publish about 20 articles. And then I'm going to do a random giveaway about 50 free credits for BlockStorm. Then we're going to open for another Q&A, and we're going to go with the closing remarks. Shouldn't take more than 45 to an hour, but I'm going to try to be as much and I don't see, guys, you see my screen. Let me see. Which screen do you guys at right now? All right, perfect. So you are at what is BlockStorm, right? All right. What is BlockStorm.ai? Let me see. Yep. Great. So what is BlockStorm.ai? BlockStorm is an AI powered tool that leverages advanced algorithm to create unique, high quality, and SEO optimized content. It does this by scraping the people also ask section on the SERP, generating content that's truly relevant to your audience. So if you could see right here on uh, on the picture on the screen, it shows like the dentist near me, and this is going to be your your seed word, basically. And what BlockStorm does, it's going to scrape the internet, the SERPs, and it's going to get the Q and A's, or the people also asks, and then it's going to generate all the other articles from it's going to generate each article for each question, and all of this in under the hood, right in the back, and it creates it in five minutes, 10 minutes. So it saves you a lot of time, and I'm going to go through what kind of tools you are saving, actually, when you work on that, because there's a lot of tools that will be um, replaced by BlackStorm. For some reason, when I click, okay, here we go. It's taking time when I switch slides. So, why BlockStorm is valuable in today's fast-paced digital world? Of course, we're crazy fast-paced right now, especially AI digital world. Uh, Creating engaging and SEO-friendly content quickly and effortlessly is a game changer. So, BlockStorm saves you significant time and energy in boosting your content's value and keeping your head ahead of the competition. So And by searching the SERP and getting the result, the value the keyword is going to do the keyword research. It's going to give you the volume of the keyword, the cost per click, and the competition, and then you'll choose the keyword, and then you will be able to get all these people also ask questions and create those blogs in a matter of minutes. All of that in a couple clicks. Um, and the key features, now I'm going to jump for the second slide, which is going to take some time that you guys going to see it, which is the key features of BlogStorm.ai. I'll wait it till it shows on your end. All right. I'll wait a little bit. Okay. Doesn't seem that. All right. I'm going to go in here. All right. So the key feature of BlogStorm, first one is the keyword research tool. Um, it basically starts with entering your topic, and it will get you a list of related keywords and the search volume and the trend data. And soon we didn't develop or deploy this, but soon we're going to have the cost per click and the competition for it. So what it does the keyword research tool, and that's going to be replacing your not replacing, but if you're going to do it manually, you're going to go to Google Trends, try to find the keywords that you want to focus on, or you're going to use a plugin like a keyword tool or a keyword everywhere, and then you gather all this content or all these keywords, and then you'll go to your basically your AI generated content, and then you generate those content. But after you choose this, it's gonna the other feature will be unlimited people also ask searches, so it will access a countless PAA questions for the targeted content. For the people who doesn't know what's PAA, it's the section that it says the people also ask on under the SERP. When you search for any term, you usually found these questions and you click on them to get the answers, right? So what BlogStorm does, it's going to scrape those questions under that relevant keyword that you're searching for, and it will give you the list of those questions. So you could do this with different software or different apps. You could use SEO Minion, as you see on the screen right here, or keyword people use, and also ask. So basically, instead of going to all these apps, you could just replace it by BlogStorm.ai. Now, after you get the questions, you're going to copy them and go and put it in any AI writer. So one of our features is going to AI engine to generate a unique content. Of course, using GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 and NLP language, Python language, BlogStorm will create a high quality research backed SEO optimized article. So it's going to be a high quality research backed SEO optimized article. That's going to replace your tool that you go to Jasper to create content, or Writer, or Copy.a, or all of these hundreds of them that's coming out every day. So now after that, when you choose all the actual content, you're going to go to you're going to either do it manually and publish each one manually, or you're going to go to a tool and try to bulk upload this and generate this. So basically, one of the main great features that we have, it's a one-click PA bulk AI blog creator. So in one click, you'll create all the blogs for these PAAs effortlessly and create multiple SEO optimized articles. So that's going to be, there's auto blogging, there's Juice.ai that could do a very few in the market that could do bulk upload, and those are one of them. So that you could replace them by using BlogStorm. And then we have the Block SEO score, which is we have our own analysis. It's in-depth analysis of your content SEO performance. So it's give you a ranking of each blog, and then we'll see how much you're ranking on what kind of score you're getting on that blog. And you could go and use Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to get that analysis. It's still a work in progress on our end. We did put the major in-depth analysis, but I still need the roadmap for it. It's going to build a really good SEO score, which is going to replace eventually your Surfer SEO and Neuron Writer as well. And then one of our major feature is through WordPress integration. All of that's going to be in a few seconds. Now I'm going to talk about the roadmap, and what we're going to do after. This is the main features for the BlogStorm, but we do have a great developer roadmap and a general idea. We only created about 40 to 60% of the what we want it to be for BlogStorm. And here I'm just going to tell you some of the roadmap features that we're working on, and soon we're gonna deploy them and uh, publish them on the website. But those are they're not in order of completing; is just randomly listed right here, which is the bulk AI schema markup. So as soon as you create those blogs and you click to create those blogs, it's going to create a schema markup for each blog for you, which is an article schema markup. And then we're probably going to have to choose which schema markup that you need. But for now, we're just going to create it automatically with the article schema markup that you could use on your WordPress and add it. The second feature will be an open graph generator. And then the third and the fourth, which is a very exciting, not a lot of people have it up that they have an AI outbound links generator and an AI inbound links generator. So we're going to have both of these on BlogStorm, which is it's going to be very valuable, and it's going to add a lot of SEO value for the content itself. And one of the roadmaps we have, it's blog to YouTube video. So after you create the blog, it's gonna create an AI video with an audio and publish it on YouTube. And we do also have the blog to podcast. So you create the blog, and then it will create the schema. It will put it on your WordPress, and then you'll be able to generate the video or generate a podcast or switch it to podcast. But we definitely need your help with um, to prioritize all these features on this roadmap. So soon I'm going to have on the website on BlogStorm, we're going to have a voting system. So if you join our Facebook group, um, I do have. I'm going to share that voting system. Our Facebook group. It's BlogStorm. I'm going to put it on the screen right now. It's a BlogStorm AI. So if you search the group's BlogStorm AI, you'd be able to join it, and then we're going to start discussing the value of each feature, and then you guys going to help us in prioritizing, or let us know what kind of feature that we guys like to see uh, on BlogStorm. So yeah, this is for the roadmap. All right, how are we doing so far? Is just type one or anything on the comments below, so I know that you guys are with me still. All right. All right, thank you guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so the next slide, I'm gonna go with a live demo for this is what everybody's waiting for. And I'm just gonna share our app directly. And all right, I see Brian and White, everybody's typing one. Thank you guys. Perfect, perfect. All right, so let me hide this. I'm gonna share the correct screen and to go to all right. All right, you see the BlogStorm page, guys? Everything is good? Perfect. All right. Nice, 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 nice. All righty. Okay, so this is the homepage. This is the demo. We're still on the demo. So, guys, if you would like, join us. Go to demo.blogstorm.ai. Not a lot of people have this URL. It's only for the demo testers. So, as soon as you sign up, you're going to get a 20 credit automatically to try BlogStorm and give me your feedback. Please, after this webinar, try to join and we'll go from there. This morning, I just want to disclaimer, this morning we had an issue with the server, so I'm hoping that everything will go smooth. If it didn't, we did record last night, I did record a video on how we did the 20 block. So I'm just hoping that everything else should be okay right now. The team have been working really hard to get this up and running for this webinar. But if it didn't, I do have a video as a backup that shows us how we use BlogStorm to create those 20 blocks. So the first thing, I mean, we're going to have different modes in the future, but right now we do have the people also ask tool mode. And this is where you start from the BlogStorm. In the future, I'm going to have different modes and different pages to start your research. Give me, guys, I could choose, if you guys want to give me any title or any business or any keyword that you want, any topic word or phrase that you want to search. Anything from dentist, anything that could be related maybe for services, and I'll give it a try right now live. All right, somebody sent me right here. Okay, medical spa. So medical spa. Let's go with a medical spa. One second. All right, one second. So we'll start with medical spa, and then you click on the keywords. You choose that it's English. You're in the United States of America right now. In default, that's going to be English, and you are in the US. And now, what BlogStorm right now, what you see are the keyword research side of it, which is it's going to give you all the keywords with the volume of them. And then let's say we want to choose the medical spa. You could click and load more. And soon I'm going to have download Excel sheet, and we're going to deploy. We're going to have more info right here. We're going to have the Google Trends. We're going to have the cost per click, the competition, how competitive it is. So we're working on that as well. But for now, you choose the keyword and you see like, yeah, this volume is 40,000. I like it. So I'm going to go on the get people also ask question. So you click here. So right now, BlogStorm is scraping the SERP, and under that keyword, it's going to give you all the questions listed there. Now, in the near future, I'm going to have them in like tier one, tier two, because sometimes, you'll see the first 3 or 4 questions. When you click on one of them, it's going to show more question, right? And then when you see those questions, and every time you click, you're going to see more. It's unlimited. You gonna keep going. But for now, we do list about 25 to 30, depends what we have. But soon it's going to be tier one and tier two. So you check here. These are all the questions on the SERP. What are the most common med spa services? What is the most profitable spa service? What is the average? Da da da. And then let's see, we have 31. So I'm just going to make them 20. Right now they're 20. So I'm clicking the generating article. What BlogStorm right now is doing, it took the content title, it did some Python coding to get the supporting keywords, and it's matching the keyword that we initially put it as a main keyword for now. And it will create a blog. Right now, we do have between 700 to 1,200 words per blog, and we're gonna have about expand more. So when you get the article, you take a look at it, and then if you want to expand, you need a long form. It's going to create a 2,000 couple clicks that you created 2,000 words for it. So right now, under the hood is BlogStorm is creating all the content and the blogs. We'll wait for a few more minutes. This is going to be a 20 of them, and hopefully the server is on point today. All right. Oh, I missed that power rubber. Sorry, it's a real estate agents. You want it, the real estate in Chicago. So I'll do it next one for sure. And Bishwas saying, "Yo, Bishwas is our main senior developer. He's the man behind all of this." So uh, good job, Bishwas. And who we have? Alrighty. I'm still waiting for it, so it's just going to be a few more minutes. It's usually not. It's usually faster than that. So maybe there's something on the. One second. We'll wait a few more minutes. Tell me, guys, what do you think so far? So let's talk a little bit. What do you guys think so far? What you saw from the keyword research? Do you have any questions for now? Till now, do you see any value? Do you see in the keyword research and the PA scraper too? So would love to hear your comments, guys. All right, I'll wait. Refresh this. Boom. Oh, okay. So it did create them. I just refresh it. It's usually give you a notification right away when it's created, but for some reason it did not right now. But you see, this one is the created, and when I click on it, this is the article, and this is the word work on progress under the blog SEO score that I give you. Um, what's this right now? It's a 62%. We do have the main keyword right here, medical spa, and we do the sub keywords is the we have the medical spa, tipping, and then we'll give you some suggestions and the good aspects. We're still working on this to make it much better. We do have a question. Let me see. Power Rubber, would it be possible to choose the text length? Yes, there's a different modes. We're gonna add soon, which is, start with a long front. It's not going to exactly choose how many you need, but you're going to choose either the regular mode or the advanced mode, which is going to create a long form 2000 and up words. And plus, if you need more in each article, you could go in this case, like right here, when you highlight it, it's going to ask you to expand this paragraph, and you click expand or rewrite, and it's going to give you more content. And the way we structure the content, it's a very SEO friendly, optimized. It has the table of content, introduction. It answers few of the questions, and then it go some Q and A's at the end, and the conclusion. And we're gonna add call to actions as well. So we'll see the blogs right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on this page. So let's say I click on this, right? And now it's choosing 14. Let's go with the 14 today. So hopefully this gonna, and then you click publish to WordPress. Now on the set under the settings, you'll add your websites. You could add as many websites that you want, and from here you choose which website you want to send it to. In my case, I'm going to send it to testing blog that we have for this webinar, and then you could choose if you want it to be published when it go to WordPress, or save it as a draft if you would like to edit it from WordPress site. Okay, and then you click push to queue, and now it's pushing all of these 14 articles to WordPress. And in a few minutes, a minute or two, here we go. Now it's, as you see, it's push to WordPress, push to WordPress. And I'm going to go to, this is the page. And I'm just going to refresh it. Here we go. These are the content actually. Let me go see. Yep, one, two. Let's see. Do you tip at a medical spa? That's let's see, second page. Third page. Oh, no, this is, let me go. I don't know. I think I missed it. I'll go again, refresh. So how much to tip? So how much to tip 500 Botox right here. And this is one of the articles. And it has even your tags. Your main keyword is optimized for the main keyword. Plus it has the second keywords on the bottom right here. So uh, this right now we created about 14 of them. I know I was talking and going back and forth, but um, eh, and then basically before you submit it or publish it, you'll be able to go to each one, change a few things, edit it. You could even download it as a Word document, as a Word format, or you could actually push it from here. If you just want to publish one of them, you could click on WordPress and send it, or you could. It does have an auto save. You could save it from here, but it does have an auto save. Anything that you do, it saves right away. Um, and this is the settings, and this is where we have the WordPress integration, right? And this is where we get add the pages, add the websites. What it's going to do, we add the URL, and then you put the description for yourself, add website, and you're going to click on connect. And when you click, I'm going to actually disconnect this. So, and I show you guys real quick how you can connect. And testing. So this is how you're just gonna put the URL, and you're just gonna put add website. Testing. Oh, name. Testing. I forgot the website. And then when you click add website, you're gonna click on connect. It's gonna take you to WordPress, and you're gonna log into your WordPress and then approve of this connection, and then you clicked OK, and this is approved. All right, and then we'll go back to the demo BlogStorm, and boom, we go to, settings, WordPress, and here we go. This is connected. And anytime I look at any blog that I want to publish, I'm just going to go here, click on this, and then choose the testing, either draft or publish. I'm going to choose publish right now. And this has been pushed. And in a few seconds, it would be published on the website as well. So yeah. Do you guys have any question regarding the demo, the blog creation? Let's see. Shadi is saying so far so good. Thank you, Shadi. And I have another question, Mr. Shadi. Does it have the human writing checker feature? Yes, in the actual the prompt engineering that we did for this, it's gonna bypass the human writing, the AI content creation checker, basically. But we're still implementing something on the back end to be able to give you actually a rating of, is it an AI, is it detectable as an AI content or not. So the ultimate goal is to have it. It does not, yeah. So they have it without any AI detection, without any, and it shows like a human wrote it. Now, everybody's debating. A lot of people debate on this from different SEO are saying it doesn't matter anymore, and Google's just gonna take the content based on Google. What they said, they're just gonna use the AI content as a regular content if it's value for the users or not. So that's their goal. That's what Google said. I could show it. If you do a little bit of research, you'll see what Google said. They're basically going to deal with AI content as how valuable it is for the users. Using BlogStorm, it can't get more valuable than that, because it answers all the questions that people also ask on the SERPs. So Google will look at it as answers, you have content that answers all the questions they list, and they rank higher on their SERP. Hopefully that answered your question, my friend. All right, we do have another question. Let me see. Marcus, what if we don't want them automatically posted? Can we just copy and paste to the instead? Yes, absolutely, Marcus. What you could do before you send it to WordPress or anything, this is where you edit the actual blog. And if you want, you could download it as a WordPress, and then, or you could save it, or you could just simply copy it and paste it to your WordPress. And maybe we could have in the future, if needed, um, we could implement Google Drive to be able connect to it directly. Um, I do have another question from Brian. Brian, when will this be available? Right now, you could have a demo access. So you could use whatever I showed you right now on the demo. So there's just a few people right now. We're around 70 people on under the demo with 20 credits. We're still working on the credit system, which is hopefully soon. Hopefully in a few weeks. My initial going live is sometime in June next month, but right now you guys have demo access. You'll use it as much as you want. It's 20 credits, and if you need more, just reach out to me. I could add more credits to your account, but I really need some feedback, guys. I really see how much valuable is this. It saves my main thing. If I'm doing this, it saves me a lot of time. Like if I want to create 10 blogs using AI, first of all, I'm going to go do the research, keyword research, and then find that people also ask questions, open an Excel sheet, post all of these questions, all this content, then go find the AI and do it the AI writer, and then do it one article at a time. And then after doing it, I'm just going to have to upload it one at a time. It's just going to take the time saving. It's crazy what you could do with this one. So hopefully that answered your question, my friend. I know I kept going. uh what Brian said, I have used it, almost used my credits up. This is why I asked. All right, Brian, just shoot me a text on Facebook, DM, and I'll add more. Just shoot me your username or your email. Definitely. So it was used. That tells me that it was valuable for you, right? All right. Any more questions, guys? So I could continue. Any more questions regarding the PEA or the BlogStorm? Oh my God! I should have changed my battery. The mouse battery. I'm sorry. Those iMac mouse just they eat batteries. Just need every week. You need a new one. Um, all right. Let me share my. All right. So where's the live demo? Right here. All right. The giveaways. The giveaways. All right, hold on. We have another question. I'm just gonna go to that question first. I'll answer it. For anyone who is wondering, I spent at least 2 to 3 hours a day using ChatGPT, Jasper, Surfer, and other AI stuff. I love this program. Thank you so much, Brian. Yes, it does help a lot. It does. There's a lot of AI tools out there, but what I'm trying to do with Blockstorm, storm all the blogs and do all everything, like the research, keyword research, the actual like optimization of the actual article to have to be happening under the hood and in the background, instead of we have to, like, I want out of the oven, we want the blog to be um, ranking really high on Surfer SEO or any other program out there. Thank you so much for the feedback, Brian. That helps a lot. We have a question that says, "Are we only doing WordPress or Medium too?" We might do Medium. This is a great suggestion, Bishwas. We might do that. Yes, yes. But actually, I would see a lot of valuable with it with Shopify as well. If we have Shopify, that would be helpful as well. Medium, it's good for more content, just creating more content. If they have I believe they do have the API to create it on the back end. All right, we have one more question. What language does it support? Right now, it supports English. The content, it could come, if you choose Spanish or any other languages. I do have all the languages right now, honestly, but I just don't want to advertise it yet. We didn't do enough testing on all of it. So I just want to choose something that, uh, let's see, Spanish. Uh, yeah, but it's gonna the blog will create by for the language, but we didn't test it because one of the tests came out with a mix between English and Spanish when we tested it for the Spanish. That's why I don't want to advertise it. But soon it's gonna have supporting at least 20 languages. So that's the intention, honestly. Um, Another question from YT Mix HK. I am currently using Chat GPT spreadsheet to do it. That's awesome. That's great. So, are you doing the keyword research as well, or are you uh, are you how can you explain it a little bit how you're doing it? I mean, you can go to WordPress, I mean Excel sheet, and then generate that for each one, but you still have to do the research and you still have to do the optimization for each word. I mean, like you need a play space to see if it's in the keyword and the titles and it's um, I would love to hear more about that. But I feel that there is a few things that on the BlogStorm wouldn't be able to do it on spreadsheet, or it will be still faster on BlogStorm. All right, and yeah, so keyword research is separate. The spreadsheet doing the content, posting to WordPress and schema. That's great. That's awesome. Yeah, would love to share it with me too. So let's see. Thank you. Then he said, That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to have it as a whole package. So, um, and and soon, that's just a start. Honestly, we're still not live yet. And when you click that button and create those blogs, and it's going to create the videos, it's going to create the audios, it's going to create the YouTube shorts. It's going to there's a lot into this coming soon. So, but we don't want to talk a lot. We don't want to. Spoil it for you guys. So we're gonna surprise you every once in a while. Um, we have another question. It says, "Can we just post using our own questions?" Yes. Soon I'm gonna add a mode that it has. You start with basically like build a manual mode. So the manual mode, you add your own question and it will generate the content, and then you will be able to post it. It's a great question, Shabu, but soon I'm gonna have it. But right now I don't. Hopefully in the next month and the next few weeks will have the different mode that you could add manually start the writing for you. I have another more question. When is the schema part going to be added? Those all of most of the schema part hopefully in the coming 2-3 weeks. It's very soon. Very soon we would have it implemented as well. Uh, but there's some UX design has to be finished first. The coding of it is already done. We know how it works, but we just have to do some UX design um, to be able to get it that way. Thank you, Marcus. And any other questions? Please, guys, hit me up. Bishwa said, "I love some happy surprises. Here we go, Bishwaz. We got a good. We have a lot of work ahead of us, my friend. So Bishwas joined us a few months ago, and he's an awesome guy and a great developer, and he's helping the team really good. So thank you, Bishwas. And are the meta description? Oh, we forgot to even talk about the meta description. Are the meta description posted to WordPress? Is there a feature? Right now, the goal is to have the meta description. It doesn't right now. It does not go directly on. Uh, I'm gonna share my screen, or I don't have to share it. One second. I'm just double checking something on it. So what it does add the tags, and it does add the category, the main keyword that you have as a category. But the meta description, we're still working on that. And let me double check, because I know I'm not sure if we implemented. Oh, actually, never mind. It does. They Bishwas already implement this. So, all right, guys, let me show you. Uh, Great question, Shuba. Great question. All right, I'm just going to share my screen. I'll show you the SEO minion. So this is one of the articles that we just generated and posted. So the title of the actual article will have the question, which is the main keywords is in it as well, and the description, which is the meta tag description. And then in this case, we got to fix a couple things that it has the two H2 tags right here. This is an easy fix. We're going to fix that. It's just duplicate it as a title and then started the article with an H1 tag. It should start it with an H2 tag. But yeah, so it's already optimized. You have the meta title, meta description, main keyword, supporting keywords, which is right here on the bottom as well. And um, soon is going to have the schema. But great question. Thank you so much. Any other question, guys? All right. Doesn't seem that we have any more questions. Let's see. Let's share. I Okay. All right. So right now, um, just gonna post. Okay. So to give, what I'm gonna do is sign up today on everybody here. Is it sign up on demo on what do you call it on the demo BlogStorm? Because I want you guys to sign up. Then I will be able to choose one of them to be able to win the 50 free credits. So go to let's see. Just go to demo.blogstorm.ai, and I would be able to choose one. All right. And I'm going to go to the back end and see how many people signed up. I thought it would be there's a way uh, to do it on the live screen, but it's I wasn't able to do it. And so the only way I'm just going to go to the back end and find. Hmm. All right, guys, let's do this. I wasn't able to choose, and it's given me a problem with the contest that I said that's going to use it. So I didn't have a plan B for this to be able to fix it. But let's do this. If you guys go on my Facebook, I do have two Facebook channels. We do have the Map Pack SEO group. and we also have the that's the Mappack SEO group. It's on the screen right now, or the BlogStorm. Go and write something about this webinar. Write something about BlogStorm and hashtag BlogStorm. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add anybody who did it. I'm gonna give him a 50 credit, 50 articles right away. So anybody who does it today, I will reach out because I'm gonna watch all those that group. You're gonna help me too. That spread the word, and that's my goal. Actually, is spread the word about BlogStorm and get more users. And if you guys help me, I'm gonna give you more credits to use. So I'm gonna just add 50 credits. As soon as you send it or you post it, send me a screenshot of it, DM it to me, give me your username, and I'll add the 50 credits for you. How does that sound? Does that sound good? Just type one. Just put anything on the keyword and say yes. If that's fair, I'll do that today. I just want to give everybody some credits that joined me today. Um, and just appreciate all your value time. Thank you, Brian. Awesome. Brian said one. Awesome. Great, 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 great. Thank you, Brian. And I will thank you, Shuba. Perfect. So yeah, just send it to me. So go to WordPress, go to Mappack or any SEO group, guys. That would be great. That would be more helpful if it went to any other SEO groups. I'm just trying to spread the word as much as possible. I know that we have a valuable and a very good software, and it still needs tweaks. We still work on progress, but I'm sure it's going to be very valuable for you guys. Um, Alrighty. And let me see what else we have. Uh, so, yeah, that's my promise, guys, to you. And that's for the giveaway. I'm going to give 50 for anybody who does that. And my second, let me see this. So, I'm sorry. Okay. So, any other questions? Anything that we'd like to know on BlogStorm about me, but anything, maybe in a link would help. Maybe in the description. What do you need link for, Shuba? Just let me know, and me or Bishwas will tell you. Uh, and reduce the number of tools. Awesome. Huxfin, he said, this thing saves so much time and reduces the number of tools I use. Awesome. Yes, that's the goal. That's the goal. Thank you. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, I'm just gonna wait another minute or two. Um, Rob said the register did not work for you. Where did you go to the demo.blockstorm.ai and did it give you an error or um, you could um, for now if you could actually send me to block no error. What did it do? It's just you weren't able to sign in? Did you get the token? You should be able to get a token by email and then click on that link and you'll be able to choose the password and then log in. So did you receive the email? If not, please, just reach us to us at blogstormai@gmail.com. I know this is the start. We still didn't have the right support email, so soon we will add it. Uh, oh, he said, no error, no response. I changed username. It works. You click sign up. Okay, let's see. So log out. Just gonna go right here. You clicked on get started, and then you chose your name, and then Not sure if I have my, this is my other family business. So let's see. And then you'll choose. That's already taken. Shoot. If just shoot me an email on the support, I would be able to fix it after the webinar. It looks like somebody else said that they just changed the username and they were able to sign in. Yeah. Yeah, Bishwa, sorry. I thought I was screen sharing, but it's okay. That's I was trying to log in. I know it's sharing only uh, the presentation. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, Rob, please just reach out to me and or to the email that I sent you or on my Facebook. I would be able to help you sign in. All right. I think we're gonna wrap this up. Uh, I really appreciate each one of you guys for staying for over an hour with me, almost an hour right now, and listening to me. But hopefully, we gave you some value, and we'll uh, we're gonna do this one more time soon. But again, if you guys share anything online and you screenshot it and send it to me, I'll send you 50 credits right away to use it on BlogStorm on the demo site. Please try not to share the demo URL. This is just for you guys for now. We don't want to overload the servers, so everything is running for free. We're still working on the pricing as well. So as soon as it's available, we would launch it in the coming couple weeks or 3 weeks, and that'll be it. And let me see if we have any other questions. No, thank you. That was awesome. I can't wait for the full version. Awesome. I can't wait either. I've been jumping all day. Yeah. So remember, guys, exciting new features are on the way. Very exciting new features are on the way, and so stay tuned. We can't wait to see the amazing content you'll create on BlogStorm. I would love if you guys created some content. Please share it with me. All right, everybody. Thank you again, and you have an awesome day. The rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.